Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is the second part of this video. And I've made probably a couple of videos like this before on how to draw something symmetrically. This one on the right is the way it is. This one on the left is more symmetrical. And if you look right here versus right here, if you look right here, you've got some garbage. You know, on this side we don't now because I changed it evenly. And this is really easy and fun to do, I think. If you need to make something symmetrical, well, not even so much symmetrical as far as you only have to change some things one time. So I'm just going to draw a hairline. I hit P and put it in the center of the page. I'm going to grab my clip art. I'm going to hit P and put it in the center of the page. Now we need to take our clip art and left click, right click, and we want to delete the side that's the least going to take the most work, I guess. So this is going to take some work. This looks better on this side than that side. So we're going to take our virtual segment delete key and we're just going to run down there and we're just going to delete all this and then go in and delete the parts you didn't hit. And basically now you can get rid of this line, don't need it anymore. And now you're going to want to go through and change some things. Whoop. Let's zoom in. You need to still break the object apart. And let's clean this up right here. Let's take that node and delete it. Let's see if there's anything else that stands out. And because I've already, this side didn't need as much cleaning. And so we're just going to delete a few more nodes, just kind of see what it looks like. I don't really, this side was a lot better. Maybe right down here you could take a node or two and maybe move this down, make that shape a little bit bigger. And basically you're already done. So now you've got the whole thing selected. And there's a few more places on the antenna and stuff, but for the video, I'm not going to take the time. Well, let's just do it real quick. That looks pretty much like garbage. That could be straightened out. Then you could take your handles and move that in a little bit. Maybe move this node like that. And you could play with it till, forever. Let's do a little bit of work on his head. Grab the shape tool, click on it, let's move those nodes, and see you got a little bit more of a rounded head. There's a double node there, let's get rid of that. We went a little bit too far, but you can bring it back in. Now this is awful close to this line, so what I would do is select both those nodes and just kind of bring them down, bring that node down, and for the video that's going to be good enough. Now just select it all and hit Control D and make a duplicate. Holding down the control button, just move this handle to that side. It'll snap there. Now this is a little bit different. You cannot just fill it unless you weld it, and when you weld it you're going to move some things. So you cannot just fill it with black. So it's no big deal. Just take your Smart Fill tool and fill it in. Whoop, went too far. And then select it all and left click no outline. So there you have a more symmetrical, a lot cleaner, a lot less work than doing them both. Because if you had to do both sides, you're going to be a little bit off and it takes twice as long. So anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.